Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, if you're anything like me, you were excited that the all-new Silverado for 2019 went LED. Those headlights, fog lamps, truck bed lighting, and interior lighting all being LED was a huge sell for me. I was a little disappointed to find out that there was still quite a few incandescent bulbs on the new Silverado. If you visit their website, you will see they brag about the LEDs in the truck bed and the headlights and fog lamps, but that's it. It turns out you'd have to spend some crazy money on the high country trim level to get any more LEDs from the factory. So, in this thrilling two-part series, I'm going to show you how to convert the last major exterior incandescent lights to LEDs. I will post links to the bulbs I used in the description below, but please make sure to like this video if you found the tutorial helpful. Let's get started. For this first video, we'll do the front turn signals and the rear license plate bulbs. These are by far the easiest to do, and they require no tools. I'll save the reverse lights for the second video because that involves a few more steps. Removing the bulbs for the front turn signals is remarkably easy. You don't have to remove any light canisters or disconnect any wires. When you look down behind the light canister, you can see you have plenty of room to work. You will need to turn the plug circled here in a counterclockwise direction to remove it. When you remove the bulb, you will see the plug has electrical contacts built in. This is a huge improvement over running wires to every bulb. Removing the old bulb from the plug is easy, but be careful not to crush the bulb between your fingers when you pull it out. The new LED bulb fits incredibly well into the plug. If you have converted anything to LEDs before, you know sometimes the LED pins don't fit into every socket. Fortunately, that isn't the case here. Make sure you don't touch any of the yellow diodes when pushing the bulb into the plug socket, but there's plenty of space on the heat sinks to hold on to. Installation is just as easy as removing the old bulb. Just make sure you don't scratch the diodes on their way into the light canister. As you can see, the LED bulb to the left is very bright, and it doesn't have that fade in and out pulse-like appearance the incandescent bulb to the right has. Replacing the bulbs for the license plate are straightforward as well. They are a 194 style bulb, and they are removed with the same counterclockwise turn as the turn signals. I found you had to push a little harder for the bulb to go into the plug socket, but in the end it felt solid and in place. Well, that's it for part 1. I highly recommend the bulbs I used to take on this mod project. Again, a like if this video helped you would be awesome. Check out part 2 for the reverse lights. See you there.